أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ألف با تا ثا. Put your tip of tongue at the edge of upper to front teeth. Tha. Jeem. Ha. With your middle part of throat. This is a throat letter. That sound. Ha. Ho. Dal. Zal. Ro. Za. Sin. Shin. Sod. Dod. Ta. Dha. Ain. Ghain. Fa. Qaf. Kaf. Lam. Mim. Noon. Wow. Ha. Hamza. Ya. Okay, this is also ya. This is the another way to write ya, but both they are same. Okay, ya. And the all these are six. This is the 7 green letters like kho, sod, dot, ta, za, ghain, and qaf. Okay, these 7 letters are the bold letters. We will read them bolder. Okay, and the 3 these letters sa, zal, and za will be the soft letters. We can pronounce it by we put our tip of tongue at the edge of upper to front teeth. Okay, inshallah, we'll do practice again in the next class, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.